A very good day to you and welcome to a new video. We've done a lot of service work on this Nissan Qashqai 2, like the air filter, oil filter, cabin filter. Yeah, so we've done a lot of service stuff. This video is all about how to reset the service light. This is a 2016 Nissan Qashqai, and I'm going to show you right now how to reset everything. So let's get started.
Quick heads up before the video starts. Don't be surprised about the quality differences between the videos we upload. Sometimes one will be good quality, other times it'll be poorer. One that's poor quality because we're uploading new and old car tutorial videos at the same time, but we've improved and recut the older ones, since a lot of the footage needed fixing and we wanted to bring them up to our current standards. What was unnecessary was cut out. And they're now being uploaded one after another. So, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss a video, and I'd say let's get back to the video.
Okay, so how do we reset this? First, we turn the ignition on. We press the enter button right here. Scroll forward or backward, either way, until you reach the settings, enter, then go down to maintenance, hit enter. Then go to the oil control system, enter, and enter reset. Yes, and it is now reset, 30,000, all finished. I hope that you could still see it well enough anyway because I can only focus either there or right here. That's about it. You can also reset the filters, which it already did. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, that was actually quite easy. Of course, once you know how, it's really straightforward. So yeah, let us know in the comments below if this helped you out or which other cars we should do a service reset on, or maybe even a full service. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.